Now today we continue the lesson sine of trigonometric functions. So questions based on sine of trigonometric functions. The question is, if sec x equals to 13/5, x lies in fourth quadrant. In solution, sec is the reciprocal of cos. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So sec, first we have to write sec x equals to 13/5. Now reciprocate it. So it is cos x. Cos x equals to 5/13. Now use the formula sine square x plus cos square x equals to 1. So sine square x plus cos square x equals to 1. So first we have to calculate sine square x. How many sine square x calculate? 1 minus cos square x. So sine square x equals to 1 minus sine x. So root over 1 minus cos square x. Now put the value. Sine x equals to root under 1 minus 5/13 whole square. Sine x equals to root over 1 minus 5/13. 5/13, 5 is 25 and 13 is 169. So sine x equals to root over now take LCM. LCM कति हुन्छ 169 is LCM. 169 into 1 is 169 minus 25. So sine x equals to root over, this is 144 by 169. Sin x equals to plus minus root log is plus minus plus minus plus minus, so plus minus 12/13. In fourth quadrant, since x lies in fourth quadrant, x in fourth quadrant ma पर्छ, that's why fourth quadrant, therefore sin x is negative. Fourth quadrant ma sin x negative हुन्छ. Only cos and sec are positive, the rest are negative in fourth quadrant. So sin x is minus 12/13. Cos is here, sin is here. Now calculate 10. 10 10x. 10x equals to sin x by cos x. So this equals to sin is minus 12/13 divided by 5/13. We can cut 13. So this equals to minus 12/5. So 10 is negative in fourth quadrant. See here, 10 is negative. A, S, T, C. Here all are positive. Sin, cosec positive. 10 cot positive. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec positive. Rest negative means 10 also negative. 10 negative हुन्छ. Similarly, then cosec x. Cosec x is the reciprocal of sine. So minus 13/12. And sec is here. And then cot x equals to minus 5/12. It is reciprocal of 10. So these are the solution. Okay. Now next, Next question is tan x equals to minus 5 by 12. Tan x equals to minus 5 by 12. X lies in second quadrant. X lies in second quadrant. Next question is tan x equals to minus 5 by 12. X lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant. Okay. Now first we have to solve. Tan x equals to tan x हामीले दिएको छ minus 5 by 12. So in second quadrant, he has sine and cosec positive, rest negative, means tan is negative here. Tan negative, sir. Then calculate sec first. We know that since sec square x minus tan square x equals to 1, so sec square x equals to 1 plus tan square x. Sec x equals to plus minus root under 1 plus tan square x. Sec x equals to plus minus root under. Now put the value put गर्नु पर्यो. Tan is minus 5 by 12 whole square. So sec x equals to plus minus. Now what is the square of minus 5? Minus into minus is plus. Square of 5 is 25 by 144. Sec x equals to plus minus root over 144 is the LCM. 144 LCM by 144 into 1 is 144 plus 25. So sec x equals to plus minus root over 169 by 144. Sec x equals to plus minus 13 by 12. Square root of 169 is 13. Square root of 144 is 12. So since x lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant ma cos and cosec is negative. Only sine and cosec positive. So therefore sec x equals to minus 13 by 12. Sec हामीले पायो. Now calculate cos. Calculate cos. Cos is the reciprocal of sec. Cos से sec को reciprocal हो. Cos is the reciprocal of sec. So cos x equals to reciprocate minus 12 by 13. Then calculate cot. Cot x equals to minus 12 by 5. Since फेरि हामीले अर्को फर्मुला पुट गर्नु पर्यो, साइन निकाल्नु पर्छ. So sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1 for calculating sin x. So sin square x equals to 1 minus cos square x. Okay. Sin square x equals to 1 minus sin x equals to plus minus root over 1 minus cos square x. Now put the value. Sin x equals to plus minus root over 1 minus cos. Value of cos is minus 12 by 13 whole square. Minus 12 by 13 whole square. So sin square x. Sin x equals to plus minus root over 1 is 1 1 minus square of 12 is 144 divided by 169. Sin x equals to plus minus root over 169 minus 144. Sin x equals to plus minus root over 25 by 169. Sin x equals to plus minus 5 by 13. So since x lies in second quadrant, so sine is positive. Since x lies in second quadrant, therefore sin x is positive 5 by 13. Second quadrant sine is positive. And then reciprocal of sine is cosec. Cosec x equals to 13 by 5. Cosec is also positive. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive, rest are negative. Okay. Now next question is next question. The question is find the values of trigonometric function. Find the values of trigonometric function. Question is find the values of trigonometric function sine 765 degree in solution. अब हामीले के गर्नुपर्नेछ त भन्दा यो 765 sin 765 को ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन्स को भ्यालु हामीले क्याल्कुलेट गर्नुपर्नेछ। अब हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ त भन्दा चाहिँ इन सल्युसन इट इज नोन दैट हामीले जुन चाहिँ अगाडि पढिसकेको छौं known that the value of sin x the value of sin x repeated value of sin x repeated after an interval of 2 pi repeated after an interval of 2 pi or 360 degree. अब यो हामीले यसलाई यस्तो खालको क्वेशनलाई गर्दाखेरि कसरी गर्नुपर्छ हामीलाई यो कुरा याद हुनु पर्यो 2 पाई देखि चाहिँ भ्यालु रिपिट हुन्छ रिपिटेड आफ्टर एन इन्टरभल अफ 2 पाई 2 पाई देखि फेरि नेक्स्ट मा आउँदाखेरि सेम भ्यालु आउँदै जान्छ जस्तै हाम्रो स्पेसिफिक एंगलको भ्यालुस छ 0 डिग्री 30 डिग्री 45 डिग्री 60 डिग्री 90 डिग्री छ तिनीहरुको त्यो चाहिँ स्पेसिफिक एंगल्स भयो तिनीहरुको भ्यालुस जति जति छ आफ्टर 2 पाई फेरि भ्यालुसहरु त्यति नै आउन थाल्छ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन्सको भ्यालुसहरु त्यति नै आउन थाल्छ सो अब यसलाई हामीले ब्रेक गर्नु पर्यो पहिला sin 765 डिग्री भनेको चाहिँ sin 765 भनेको चाहिँ कति हो भन्दाखेरि 360 into 2 360 लाई लिनु पर्यो हामीले 360 लाई लिनु पर्यो 20 2612 236 720 रहेछ भनेपछि यो सेकेन्ड कम्प्लिट रिभोल्युसन भयो यो भयो 2 साइकल भयो दैट इज 2 पाई into 2 भयो इज इक्वल्स टु 4 पाई हुन्छ तर हामीलाई इन टर्म्स अफ पाई दिएको छैन। यहाँनिर हामीले यसरी लेख्न सक्छ 2 × 360 डिग्री प्लस 2 × 360 डिग्री प्लस अब यहाँनिर हाम्रो 720 भएको छ। सो 765 मा चाहिँ 720 हामीले माइनस गर्नु पर्यो। 720 माइनस गर्दा 45 डिग्री भयो। सो यहाँनिर प्लस हाम्रो 45 डिग्री हुन्छ। अब यति कुरालाई हामीले जान्नु पर्यो। सो साइन, सो दिस इज 720 डिग्री, 720 डिग्री प्लस 45 डिग्री। सो 2 पाई साइन 2 पाई इज 0, साइन 2 पाई इज 0, साइन 2 पाई 0 हुन्छ। Similarly, sin 4 pi is second cycle. This is also 0. So 720 is 0. So this equals to sin 45. Sin 4 pi plus theta is sin theta. Sin 45 मात्रै आयो यहाँनिर, यो चाहिँ 0 हुन्छ। So this equals to the value of sin is 1/45 is 1/√2. Now this is the answer. Okay. The next case is cosec. Next question. Next question is cosec. Next question is cosec minus 1410 degree. Minus 1410 degree. Cosec is minus 1410 degree. In solution, first you have to write. It is known that the value of x, the value of cosec x repeated after an interval of 2 pi or 360 degree. Okay, cosec x पनि after 2 pi interval मा चाहिँ रिपिट हुन्छ। आफ्टर 2 pi interval मा रिपिट हुन्छ। सो यसलाई लेख्दाखेरि हाम्रोमा माइनस छ, cosec minus 1410 डिग्री, minus 1410 डिग्री छ हाम्रोमा, minus 1410 डिग्री छ। अब यसलाई हामीले ब्रेक गर्नु पर्यो। कसरी ब्रेक गर्ने? 360 into 2 is 720, 360 into 3 is 1080, 360 into 4, 400, 4 6 24, 4 3 12 13 14, 1440. So this is 1440. 1440 बाट ल्याउनु पर्यो हामीले यसलाई, 1440 बाट ल्याउनु पर्यो, 1440 बाट 1440 बाट ल्याउनु पर्यो यसलाई, 1440 बाट ल्याउनु पर्यो। किन भन्दा एंगल ज्यादा छ, 1410 छ। त्यसै हामीले स्पेसिफिक एंगल बनाउनु पर्छ। स्पेसिफिक एंगल मीन्स 0 30 45 60 अनि 90 बनाउनु पर्यो यसलाई पहिला। सो 90 बनाउनु पर्यो। ओके, this equals to cosec minus 1410 plus 4 into 360 degree. So this equals to cosec minus 1410 degree plus this equals to 1440. अब हाम्रो स्पेसिफिक एंगल्स आउँछ। cosec this equals to 30 degree. So cosec 30 degree is 2. Now this much for today. Thank you.